Standard 8 Maths Chapter 11 Mensuration. Hello everyone. So in previous videos we have discussed up to question number 2 of exercise 11.4. Now we will continue with question number 3. Exercise 11.4 question number 3. Find the height of a cuboid whose base area is 180 centimeter. So what is volume of cuboid? So it is base area into height. So what is height? It will be volume of cuboid divided by base area. Now what is volume of cuboid? It is 900. It is 900. Base area is 180. So this is 5 centimeter. Height of the volume is 5 centimeter. Sorry, height of the cuboid. Now fourth question. Cuboid is of the dimension. Dimension of cuboids we have been given. These are 60 into 54 into 30. 60 into 54 into 30. How many small cubes with side 6 centimeter can be placed in the given cuboid? So I have told you in examples, number of small cubes will be equal to the volume of cuboid divided by volume of one cube. Okay, volume of cuboid divided by volume of cube. So what is volume of cuboid? It is L into B into H. That is 60 into 54 into 30. And what is volume of cube? So what is volume of cube? It is side cube and side is given as 6 centimeter. So it will be 6 into 6 into 6. Clear? So this is 10. This is 9. And this is 5. So it will be 10 into 9 into 5. So this comes out to be 450. So number of small cubes that can be fitted into cuboid is 450. Now next question. Question number 5. Find the height of the cylinder whose volume is 1.54 meter cube and diameter of base is 140 centimeter. Clear? So volume of cylinder is given. This is 1.54 meter cube. Diameter of base is given as 140 centimeter or 1.4 meter. We have divided by 100 in order to convert them meter because this volume is also given in meter. So diameter of base is 1.4 meter. Therefore radius of base will be diameter upon 2, that is 1.4 upon 2, that is 0.7 meter Now we can calculate area of base. It will be pi r square. Okay, so what is pi? Pi is 22/7 and r is 0.7. 0.7 into 0.7. This is 0.1 and it's 154 meter square. Okay, now we have area of base, we have volume. Now we can calculate height. Height of cylinder will be volume of cylinder divided by base area. So volume was 1.54 meter cube and area was 1.54 meter square. So we can cancel out, it is 1 meter. So height of cylinder is 1 meter. Clear? Now next question. Question number 6. A milk tank is in the form of cylinder whose radius is given. This is question number 6. Radius of tank, of cylindrical tank is given to us. It is 1.5 meter. And length means it height, and height is 7 meter. So we have to calculate the capacity. Okay, quantity of milk. So in this case we have to calculate the volume. Okay, quantity of milk will be equal to volume of cylinder. So this is pi r square h. So pi is 22/7, r is 1.5 and this is 7. So this can be cancelled out. This will be 22 into, clear. So we can calculate. This is okay. Now it will be 49.5 meter cube. But we have to calculate its capacity in liter. Okay, we have to calculate its quantity in liter. So 1 meter cube equals 1000 liters. So 49.5 meter cube will be equal to 49.5 into 1000 liter. So it is 49500 liters. 49,500 liters it can hold. Now question number 7. Question number 7. If each edge of the cube is doubled, how many times surface area increases? Okay. And how many times its volume will increase? Now, if let the side of cube, we will assume let the side of cube is A. Okay, any unit. Now, original surface area of cube is 6a square. I have explained. And volume original volume will be a cube. Now we have doubled the side. Now side is doubled. Side is double. Therefore side will be equal to 2 into a 2a. Okay. Now new surface area. New surface area will become, it was 6a square. Now in place of A we have 2A. Clear? So this is 6 into 2, square of 2 is 4 and it is A square. So if we rearrange, it can be written 6. Okay. Now this is the original surface area and it has become 4 times. So it is 4 into original surface area. It has become 4 times the original surface area. If the side is doubled, surface area will become 4 times. Clear? We have just put the values. Now, what is the effect on volume? Side is double, so new volume will be A cube. Now, in place of A, we have 2A. It will be 2A cube. So, cube of 2 is 8 and it is A cube. So, it is 8 into original volume. So it is if the side is double, volume become 8 time of its original volume. On doubling the side, surface area become 4 times and volume become 8 times. Now last question, question number 8. Water is pouring into a cubical reservoir at the rate of 60 liters per minute. So there is a cuboidal reservoir. This is a reservoir and water is pouring it into the rate of 60 rate of water. It is 60 liter per minute. No, in 1 minute it is pouring 60 liters of water. So in 1 hour it will be how much water it will pour? In 1 hour it will be 60 into 60 liters because in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. So in 1 hour it will pour this much water in cuboidal reservoir. Okay. Now if the volume of reservoir is 108 meter cube, find the number of hours it will take. So total volume of reservoir is volume of reservoir equals 108 meter cube or 1 meter cube equals 1000 liter. So it will be 108 into 1000 liter. So this much is the volume of reservoir. So number of hours will be number of hours required to fill it will be volume of reservoir divided by rate. Rate means how much liter of water it is pouring into cuboidal reservoir in 1 hour. So it will be volume is 108 into 1000 and in 1 hour it was pouring 60 into 60 liters. So we just clear. This is 1, 8 and 3. 3 into 10 is 30 hours. So it will take 30 hours to fill. Now I hope this is clear to all. So this chapter is finished. I hope you are clear with the concepts. Okay. So in next video we'll come up with a new topic. Thank you.